Hello! I just wanted to show you this bit of an update on the Blink video doorbell. I had I think it was 3-month free trial of cloud storage, which has just run out. I am using the sync module, which it now saves the clips to, instead of going to the cloud. But it's very slow. If I can show you this is the view of the front door, where if I go to live view, and I click save, it doesn't let me, you see. So I cannot record the live view because when I stop this, or when it stops on its own, then I can stop it. And we go to home and we go to clips. It doesn't save any live view clips anymore, but if I activate it from outside, which I will go and do now, we'll see if that makes any difference. Okay, so I've just pressed the doorbell and it's not saying there's any clips here, but if we go on it, is it listing it there? Yeah, we've got a notification from the Blink doorbell, but if we click on that, it does take a lot of time. It says we're retrieving your clip, hang tight, USB clips take a little longer to load. Now it takes quite a while to load, to be honest. So if you've got a lot of clips to look through, you know, it's going to take some time. I mean, I know it had to load the clip, but I wasn't expecting it to be this long. And I won't cut out of this. I'll do this in real time so you can see how long it takes. Yeah, it might be my Wi-Fi connection, although it's you know, it's half decent, so it shouldn't be an issue. We're still waiting, and there it is. So yeah, and I can delete it from there, obviously. Delete clip, yes. But yeah, it's nowhere near like, well, the cloud savings is pretty instant, really, when you click on playback from that. I'm a little disappointed in that, to be honest. I mean, okay, yeah, you don't need the subscription, and it is saving notifications. Although, again, like I say, live view, I don't know why it doesn't save that. That's live view, and we don't seem to have the option to save it. It's asking you to subscribe. So, yeah, I don't know. Do I go back to the subscription? Do I need it? I don't know. But anyway, I thought I'd let you know, and that's it, 30 seconds I think it's set for. Anyway, that's a little information on the sync module. Doesn't record live footage, only notifications of movement and if somebody pushes the bell. So yeah, and takes a long time to load. I was expecting more, but hey, at least I'm not paying a subscription. Well, not at the moment anyway. I might go back to it. But yeah, hope that's been of help. And until next time, thanks for watching.